my dear children, welcome to the wonderful world of Vedic mathematics. What is Vedic mathematics? Vedic mathematics is from a book called Vedic Maths. It has been compiled by Bharati Krishna Tirthaji. He has 16 sutras and sub-sutras in it. Using these sutras, you can do the mathematics with ease and amusement, and it will be a fun to you. Why this mathematics has to be learnt? This mathematics will make it very easy for you. We are using addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. These addition, subtraction, multiplication and division is very difficult for you. Sometimes we tend to use calculators. It is okay, but still these methods are very easy and fun-filled. You can use it and make it very easy. That is the reason we are teaching this Vedic mathematics. Then why this Vedic mathematics is called as Vedic mathematics? Don't think that it has come from Vedas. It is not from Vedas. This author feels that it is full of knowledge. So Vedic in Sanskrit means knowledge. So he gave the name for this book as Vedic mathematics. I hope you will enjoy this Vedic mathematics session and use it in your day-to-day mathematics classes. You can also, like this Tirthaji, you can also create your own methods for doing arithmetics. Thank you. Now I am going to explain to you the multiplication, one way of multiplication in Vedic maths when the number is very close to 100, 1000 and 10,000. See, for example, I am going to take 93 multiplied by 96. 96. It is very simple. It is very simple. See, I am going to find out the difference between 100 and 93 here. That is 07. 0 is very important. And I am going to find out the difference between 96 and 100. That is 04. Now the next step is you are going to find out the difference between 93 and 4 and or 96 by 7. Both are same. 93 minus 4 is 89. 89 or 96 minus 7 is 89. Both will be same. Now I am going to find out 7 into 4, that is 28. You write 28. 8,928 is the answer. It is so simple. I think you are able to understand. Now I am going to show you how to do it for a 3-digit number. 3-digit number, that is 996 multiplied by 997. The number is big, but the same method we are going to adapt, but we are going to subtract it from 1000. 1000 minus 996 is 004. Very important, you have to write 3-digit number. And 1000 minus 997 is 003. Now we are going to write 996 minus 3 is 993 or 997 minus 4 is 993. Then we are going to write 3 into 4 is 12, 012. 993012 is the answer, or 9,93,012 is the answer. I have shown you a very simple multiplication which requires a calculator, or you will do it in a different way. This is a simple method, you can use it. This is one of the methods. There are so many methods available. So you can find out various methods in Vedic mathematics and have fun with mathematics. Thank you.